Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Taurus. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. I'll be picking one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, guys. I'll be doing a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch that reading, guys. So that may give you clarity or clear some doubts. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first. We have Justice, Five of Cups in reverse and Strength in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Taurus, you are someone who is really talented and who has great strength and determination, willpower and confidence, guys. But today something is holding you back. Something, it may be an illness on your part, it may be your illness or this person's illness, or it may be some kind of addictions you have or this person has. Something is holding you from maybe working or making the right decisions today. And you are someone who makes decisions with clarity, guys, and you think it through whatever the situation is. You think clearly and you make the right choices. But today these weakness you have, maybe this sickness or addictions, are coming in the way, affecting your work potential or affecting the way things are going in this relationship, guys. Maybe these addictions were the reason for this person leaving you. Maybe they left you. You are in a separation now. They have not spoken to you for some time now. And they want you to change for this love. They want you to, they love you, but they want you to change for them, guys. So they are expecting some changes from you. But today for some of you, this person, maybe you have changed or you are making efforts. They are aware of that. And this person is coming back to you, guys. Maybe for some of you, it may be a casual visit. They are coming again just to see how well you are coping up, what you are doing. Or maybe for some of you, they are coming back to you. For sure, they are coming back with reconciliation in their mind. They want to get back to you and they see you as someone making changes or efforts in your situation, guys, Taurus. So maybe you may see some difficulties, but things are changing for sure, guys, and there is some kind of a great news for some of you, I see, is coming to you, guys. Maybe this person has sent a message through someone that they are still interested in you and they want this love. Or it may be in your work, some kind of a collaboration or partnership is coming towards you, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the Star. So there are hopes and you are wishing for certain things to come towards you. And you have faith in yourself and you have faith in your future. And you are having hope for that bright future in your love situation, guys. And your hopes and dreams may prove right for you today, Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, there may be certain things that are going against you. Maybe the way you make some decisions, it may turn out bad. Maybe you have made some wrong choices for yourself. That may be the reason for troubles. For some of you, I see some kind of a bad news reaching you today, guys, in your work situation. Taurus, it may be something small, so you will be able to handle it, I think, guys. Taurus. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Taurus, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here, and you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes. Choose the card or the crystals, whatever comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card. For those who chose this card, let's see what it is. It is the white snake, understanding. So this card just means that however difficult our situations are, guys, maybe we are facing lot of struggles today. There are things that are beyond our control. Circumstances are beyond our control. Something is causing a lot of stress and difficulties, and we may feel that people are not helping us. They are quite unemotional and they are not at all kind. They do not have that helpful nature. But you need to understand that whatever kindness or compassion you have shown to others, it is going to come back to you multifold, guys. And whatever sacrifices you have done for others or to help them in some way, all that is going to come back to you, and you are going to get help, and there is going to be a breakthrough moment in your life. Soon, everything you did, all the good things that you did, is going to help you in unexpected ways, guys. So you should not forget that. And when you are truthful, when you stand by truth, there is no one or nothing that can defeat you in life today. So you are going to be victorious, and you are going to be in a position able to help others, change others' lives, guys, and you are going to be the greatest inspiration for people with you. And you are someone who is going to heal others. Maybe this person you love, you are going to heal them. Maybe whatever hurt they have in their hearts, you are just going to heal them and change the way their life is going. And you are a wonderful person who is really responsible, caring, compassionate. And though people are arrogant, selfish, they are not at all concerned about you. Your kindness is going to come back to you multifold, guys, and you are going to see great changes in people around you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Such a beautiful card and a beautiful reading with this card. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is your second crystal, and this is the card, guys. Let's see what it is. Embrace change. So with this card, guys, the energy for you all is that today you are going to see great changes, transformation in your life, guys. Change is inevitable, guys, in our life. Nature changes and we change. Everything changes about us, our physical appearance, our emotional self. Everything goes through great changes each and every moment. And world is constantly changing. But if you resist to change, if you want things to go in the same way, same order, you are going to see difficulties, or you are going to see a lot of obstacles and feel a lot of stress. So you need to understand that, guys, and many opportunities are waiting for you, but you need to, what to say, change the way you are. Maybe you want to go by the old and familiar safe way, step by step, and you are, what to say, you are afraid to take up something new in your life today, venture out, think out of the box, or do something out of the box. But you have to trust in the angels. This is an angel oracle card, guys. So angels are here helping you, guiding you in each and every step of the way. So something new is coming into your life today. You should just be ready to accept that new change, a new circumstance, or a new person coming towards you, guys. So you need to let go of all that repetitive old patterns which are not useful to you anymore. So if you welcome change, and you are going to see great things happening in your life today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.